Hey folks, so we are here at Red Rock and Roddo is going to go around the other way and come through this creek. Not very far from Yeppoon. Lovely place to camp with family. Beautiful creek. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. And Roddo comes through over there. Hey guys, how you doing? We are at Red Rock, awesome camping area. Normally a lot of people swimming in here. So yeah, Rod's just gone around the long way. He's going to come back through that creek. Film him coming through. Yeah, isn't it stunning? Having a blast. Got myself a little pure blonde and that's Roddo on the radio now. So let's see what he's going to do. Here comes Roddo. Well, that didn't take him very long to get from one side to the other. Wow. Well, you can hear that V8 before we see it. And Roddo is about to come flying past me. The last time he did this, he was in the Lexus 570.